We talk about how can you invite friends to make money on your Meyo app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on invite friends to make money here. When you just click on it, you come to next step here. So then here can you invite person resistance here or invited person authentication or invite person earnings. And here can you copy your code here, then you can or here can you click here on share, then it's going to show for you list of your apps here. Can you share it with your friends here? So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.